Hi guys, so this is probably going to be kind of a short video. Sorry, that was my stool. Yeah, I got some things in from HSN. I ordered a ton of stuff right now that they're having free shipping. It actually ends today at midnight. So if I have any links that are still available for the items I'll be showing you, I'll have links in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So really weird, after I did, what video was it? Friday? Thursday? Yeah, I had another haul come in and I tried out the Griffin Slimline folders. Oh my gosh, you guys, I use these in my swap stuff because I told you guys I kept getting stuff in, so I kept reworking what I was putting in my swap. I'm like, oh, I'm done. But I had all these fun things come in. I love these folders. Oh my goodness. So I'll have these linked. They were not sold out that day, but I didn't know, and I didn't even know that HSN had free shipping that day because they started like in the afternoon. And it, like I said, it expires today. So hopefully you can still get on that if there's something you wanted to pick up. Yeah, so I'll do that and then we'll go through the things I just got. But one of them I think is the Belle Countryside or whatever it's called, the new set from Crafter's Companion. Along with that, I picked up the Winter White stuff, another new lineup that they came out with, and I picked mine up through Craft Stash. So I did that like on Thursday or Friday, so it usually takes about a week to come in. So I look forward to that. I did see that Crafter's Companion today was putting out a new like USB design thing for their Ultimate Pro, and you know me, I was like, oh, I should get it, but I already have 3 Ultimate Pros. I don't need another one. I actually have the original one. I guess it was just called Ultimate, and then the other 2 are still Ultimate Pros, but I'm like, I don't want the USB by itself. I want the whole thing, you know. So we'll see. I have their DVDs. I never even watched them, so I don't even know what I would do with the USB, but I think it's fun, so we'll see. I may end up getting it. But yeah, so thank you guys so much. I have not really heard from any of you guys saying you did not get your swap out, other than I think one person, but they had contacted me earlier than yesterday saying they didn't make it. But please let me know if you were not able to get your swap out yesterday. Please don't send it on Monday or Tuesday or any other day, because like I said, over half of them are already in. A ton of you guys had emailed me, and a ton of those emails with the tracking basically say they're coming in Monday, which is tomorrow. And then, like I said, Tuesday I'm picking up my mom from the airport, so that's why I don't want to do a video that day, but I will go by the post office, of course. And then on Wednesday I'll have another video with the reveals after 11 o'clock probably, because that's usually when they deliver the boxes for that day. So I'll have the stuff that comes in Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday on Wednesday. And then if we need to go into Thursday, we will. But I have a feeling we'll probably have it wrapped up by Wednesday, unless something happened and someone's got lost. Well, if something gets lost, I don't stick around waiting for it, because that's just, everybody's gonna have to wait, and that's not fair. But I did notice one thing though, that I can, just kind of opening them up, and I open them just to get them ready and make sure everything's okay and not like messed up at all, is that a lot of people did not add anything extra to their little hidden ultra paper clips, and that was part of the guidelines this time around. So we will see. I said, please don't let it just be 2 pieces of paper, the one on the inside and then the one on the outside, to actually do like a little collaging, a little something. And that was written in the guidelines, and I talked about it in the video, and I noticed some people just still did, 2 pieces of paper. So we'll see. Again, I might just make the groups bigger, and then if there are any rule breakers, just put them to the side and they can swap together, however it is, or whatever. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. But again, and what's funny, you guys saw probably, I reviewed these on a Diamond Press video, and all I did was turn them around, still made them into paper clips, and look at the little back. So that was the one I had facing forward, right? So these are tags, just holiday tags. And on the inside is the hidden paper clip. And again, this is what the hidden paper clip looks like. It's super easy, you guys. That's another thing. I know some folks still didn't get it quite right, but that's not an issue so much. But see, you don't see the paper clip in there. And then the paper is right at the edge, so it doesn't get stuck on anything when you go to use it. So anyway, I just thought it was fun. And then I switched them up, and it just so happens it's had candy canes. This little candy cane. I'm like, how cute. It'll go with this one. The Santa Claus one with the Santa Claus. I mean, you guys. And then this one's an ornament with the ornaments. Can't go wrong. So that's that. Anyhow. And then I made some real quick, because I know people want to get right to it. I've been told in the comments. I made some peanut brittle yesterday, and just because I had a wild hair, and literally I made it in like 10 minutes. Like, that's as long as it took for the the syrup to heat up with the sugar, and I had peanuts already roasted one, so I'm like, great. And I had coconut because I wanted to put coconut in it, so I did that. It is so good, you guys, and I Instagrammed it. But I have 2 jars like this, actually. The kids have been eating already, and I have been eating. I can't just pin it on the kids, okay? But so yeah, everything looks so fun. Whatever people are sending in for the swap, really excited to open those up. All right. HSN. So this is not the stuff I ordered for free shipping. That stuff is actually going to come in like tomorrow, which is a bummer. I wanted to show it all today, but I do have some things. Like I said, I want to unbox that one kit, so we'll check it out. The Holiday Joy Pirouette, super cute. I love this. This is from the auto ship for LDRS Creative, or Little Darlings there on HSN. I don't know why they keep wanting to go by Little Darlings, the HSN type up when it's LDRS Creative, but I don't know if they're going to have this available later. I know LDRS Creative themselves had some different holiday ones. I don't know if they're the same though. I feel like they're different. So, you know, we'll see. But this is so cute. Can't wait to use it. And then it comes with a little die that cuts out the word joy and the wreath. And usually there's like 3 dies, but it looks like this one might just do the 2. I mean, well, let's just open and look at it. Like I said, it's not really available right now. Yeah, it just does the 2. So cute. So I'm really happy to have that. What is in here? Oh, okay, cool. This is, what does this receipt say? The Anna Griffin present pop-up card kit. Okay, so this is, well, you know what? I don't know what this is. It's quite possible this is an auto ship, or this is something that I ordered before and it barely came in stock now, right? Because a lot of things are in extended delivery. And I feel like this is probably from the auto ship. Present pop-up card making kit, which also I'll link in the description box. They brought back the window box pop-up, which is probably one of my favorite pop-ups of hers ever. So if you're interested in picking that one up, and I did a review on it, maybe I'll link the video and I'll link the box there too. Love it. So cute. So this is the present. Oh my gosh, I wonder. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, so I was wondering how this is going to work. So I think what happens is there's a score mark in here. So when you close it, it closes in and that pops down inside. You know what I'm saying? Like, do you understand? Like, maybe I'm not explaining it very well. But when you close it, that's going to go in. So then it closes flat like this. So cute. Again, love that it comes with the little decoupage squares, basically, but dimensional adhesives. All the pieces that you need. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is... I end up usually buying another set, to be honest, because I'm just like sick in the head, but also because, I mean, look at this. Joy to you, the little tags. Remember recently I just busted out that I did of the scrap apparatus and all that, and it had little tags. They were smaller than this, but how cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we'll definitely unbox and do all that kind of stuff with this. Try it out very soon here. I wonder, sometimes by the time we get it on auto ship, they already have it available on the site, so we'll see. But again, free shipping ends today. If it's something you want to get into, which I'm assuming it is. This might be the Crafter's Companion set, but there's another big box over there that I don't know what that is. So let's see what's in here. Alright. Let's see if I open that enough. Not quite. Oh, yes. Okay. So like I said, I ordered the winter white on Craft Stash only because I already picked this up, and it's fine. I think when I picked this one up, I had a 20% off coupon or something. But the pricing a lot of times is very comparable to what Crafter's Companion themselves does if you have the 20% platinum discount and all that kind of stuff. Or just Craft Stash has good deals. And then they have all kinds of they have Tonic, they have all kinds of brands, a lot of British brands, So I highly recommend them. I've gotten my stuff no problem, so I've always had a good experience with Craft Stash. But I had already ordered this, so I was like, well, I'll just leave this. But I did order another pack of the paper, I think, when I went on Craft Stash. I ordered the whole winter white. I ordered some masquerade. I think I ordered another paper pack, paper pad, and then, and a couple of other dies that were cute from like some other random company. But anyway, Belle Countryside. I mean, okay, so this is an awesome die. Gorgeous. Oh, you guys. I just love the coloring on this. If you're like the type of person that might cut that out and put it like on an altered paper clip or in a junk journal, it's very pretty. And then this is like an embossing folder, I think. And this is very pretty because of the way it's created. It's very hard for me to use these like when they have a word. Like I don't really know what to do with them, but this is really pretty if you did a strip and just added it to like the background of your card or whatever. A hidden altered paper clip, just fold it in half. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have, these are a little different. It's cute. It's not really my thing, but it came in the kit, so here it is. But unique, I was a unique equine elegance, of course, equine because of the horse. And then a little bucket or basket. That is cute, though. It's a lovely image. I love it. With love from me to you, memories last lifetime, you're in my thoughts, to dear friend. Again, these are just acrylic stamp sets. They're not photopolymer, which isn't the biggest deal. I know some people don't like that, and some people are okay with it. You know, it just depends what you like. Of course, photopolymer is better, right? We love the smell, we love how they work, but it'll be fine. Statement Floral. Look how pretty that is. With the die, which is super important. This is cute to do a little background, then you have like your little horse that you can do like a whole collaging with. I think that'd be really pretty. I mean, with love, just with the flower. Oh, look at this. You make me smile. It's like I'll say it's like a frame. It's called Grand Frame or Grande Frame. I doubt it's Grande, but Grand Frame. And with the pretty flowers. I mean, this set, when I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, we're getting this. So pretty with the sentiments. Oh, I was wondering if this would look like other dies I already have for their floral, for the foam flowers. You don't have to use the foam stuff, but Precious Peonies. So pretty with the little stamen ready to go. Oh, so pretty. So this goes along with the other stuff we'll talk about in a minute. Lumieres and Lanterns. How cute. You guys, this is just so pretty. I mean, look at that. Happy birthday. I love the font on that. Super excited to get this set. Luxury mix card. Oh my gosh. You know what? I should have ordered even more of this. Because first of all, the colorway. And secondly, if you look at this pearlescent, it's textured, pearlescent textured, pearlescent textured. And this is like gray with that beautiful like mulberry color and that blush pink. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. 250 GSM, so it's good stuff. And this is the Rustic Hues foam, flower forming foam. I wanted to make this video days ago. I've had this stuff has been sitting here, but I was just like, oh, there's not enough. I'm gonna wait, but if I keep waiting, I'm gonna be waiting forever. So, so pretty. Look at this. Okay, this is a very thin pad as far as the weight of it, but also I think the amount that's in here. But it is 180 GSM. It's hard for me to. If 110 pound is like 300 GSM, so this I'm assuming is going to be like a layering weight paper, right? Because it's about half that, a little more than half that, but it feels very thin. It's 24 double-sided printed. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to go and get more. I just saw this first page. Go and get more. It's nice. Again, obviously not 300 GSM. It's not as flighty as that, like what came in the paper library. That's very much type weight paper. It's a nice weight. I mean, if you guys know, you can compare it with something else. 180 GSM. Wow. I mean, you guys. Look at this gorgeous paper. Of course, it's the same. Look at with the house there. Oh my gosh. I need at least. What are you getting? 2 more? If I reorder one, I need at least 2 more pads of this. Oh, for oh my gosh, for a traveler's notebook, for just, oh, look at this. It is very minty looking, isn't it? This is, oh my goodness. I'm trying to skip the papers 2 at a time, but look at, I mean, I'm like speechless. I don't even know what to say. This is the blues and like purples on the other ones and like teal. The peonies, it's like they were, you know, just gone in my brain, or anyone's brain really who likes beautiful things. I mean, this is very much just beautiful. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's pretty much every sheet. And you know, the horse is growing on me, y'all. I love the horse, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm blown away by that one. What else is in here? This is probably something weird. Oh, yeah, no. Well, I mean, I can open it up. Let me open it up. It's just a jar of cookies. I'll be right back. So that was way less stuff than I thought. Sorry. Hopefully you just spent some time with me and that was good, you know, for you. But looking at that Belle countryside, beautiful, just beautiful. I'm going to go to my computer right now. So I'll have the links for you guys for whatever, you know, is available here or there. But look at this. Okay, so David's cookies. I mean, I used to start off by buying the crumb cakes and the brownies, and then I would get the pecan meltaways. Then you start finding the pecan meltaways like at Home Goods and Tuesday Morning, and then they start them at Costco for like a huge tin, like 2 or 3 pounds for what, $10? I mean, maybe this year might be 12 or 13 or whatever. I remember being $10, and this is years ago. So then I was like, well, that's not that great a deal. Basically what you're doing is you're buying the cookie jar. That's how I see it whenever I buy things on HSN that are David's, especially the pecan meltaways. But look at this little guy. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys, I gotta put him out now. I mean, it's fall. Look at him. Oh, usually they end up being candy jars in my house, but and then it comes again with the pecan meltaways, like I said, that you can find at Costco for, you know, Super inexpensive. They're so good though. I don't want to open it quite yet. I might even put these in the freezer, to be honest, because I have a lot of things going right now. But really good. And I'm a sucker for these little jars. And what happened is, in all the moves that we do, my husband's like, I don't want to move those jars or this and that. And then by the time they get to our side, they're like broken, something's chipped. I'm like, oh my gosh. Even when the movers package them really well, you know, or we package them well ourselves. So I'm happy to have this little guy. He's adorable. I love him. And I'm going to put him out right now on the mantle. Well, not the mantle, but like, I have like a side. Anyway, who cares? Things on the side like credenza, I guess. That's where he's going to go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you all at the next one. And yeah, keep it out. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, we're going to start going through the swaps. Super excited. I love Christmas stuff, and this is just, it's going to be great. All right, guys. Bye now.